what just came out. Like, no, again, props.
Yeah, how did he does it? Stuck in them mixed fields, yeah, cause I love it. 45 seconds, you win it.
Welcome back to KO, kinda outside. And today we're getting ready to go out to Harrisonburg, Dayton, Virginia, whatever you want to call it. We're gonna go to Flagpole Knob. We're gonna be heading up the mountain. It's gonna be good times. Might be doing a little bit of wheeling. Gonna mostly be doing some camping. We got 10 of us right now, so this is the biggest move that we've had so far. Just excited to kind of, get back out there and, get some content for you guys.
We're gonna be wheeling through the mountains for the next few days. Gonna do a little fishing.
Hopefully we could catch some, maybe some bass.
Yeah.
Fucking mahi in the fucking Harrisonburg Reservoir.
No, but I'll tell you though, the main thing this trip, we gotta stay cool. It's like gonna be almost like 90, 100 degrees out the whole time. A lot of humidity. So mission this time is to stay cool.
You could come out here and you don't have to be an old white man to have a good time camping. That's what we're trying to show people for this video. We're trying to show people that,
it's like
minorities, anybody could do it.
Anybody can do it.
It's just, you can enjoy the weather, you can enjoy the outside, you can enjoy nature.
Yep.
You don't have to be an old white man to do this.
It's like it's not too far to reach. We're right outside DC, in the city last night. We're about to be in the cut in the mountains today.
Yeah.
Ain't no thing. Only about 2 hours away. It'll be smooth.
It's gonna be a friends and family KO camp out.
Yep.
It's gonna be wicked. It's gonna be a lot of fun. It's gonna be a lot of bullshit.
Yep.
But look, we're here right now. We just want to thank Happy Dads, Nelk Boys for sponsoring this video. Appreciate y'all.
We gonna have a good time. Can't get too into detail. You know what I'm saying? Y'all just have to watch the video to find out.
Okay.
I'm a big dog, yeah, you mouse. Can't even rock with it, you not a boss. I done offended this shit on my sauce. And I go rock it at every show.
We're about to set out, 2 hour drive. We're about to hit up Flagpole again.
We have a whole caravan with us. We got this Jeep, another Jeep, Bronco.
Man's over there. You'll see him later. He's driving a TRD Pro, little 4Runner.
Booted up,
Yep.
dranked up.
We're about to see a special truck with a special appearance later on tonight, and then also a Trackhawk Jeep with a roof tent on the top. So you guys are gonna see a multitude of vehicles, a multitude of people. And the craziest part is we're all gonna be out there. We're all gonna be on a vibe.
Yep.
She's gonna be with us.
Stay tuned. We'll be coming together. See y'all.
My bitch a dirty die young nigga Michael Jackson bad. I can't up all Steve Nash. And I wake up Papa Tan. All of my foreign rings fast. Yeah, I made myself the man. I'm about to sign new advance. The millions in demand. I took some shrooms with the homie. I bought my new bitch a rollin'. I went never tell on the code. I could parasail if I want. These niggas so shell in this show. I could send some shells to your color. I know they young gonna wanna choke. Be patient, I'm living in the moment. That's my people, they gon' say I'm 100. It's these pussies, they tryna take me under. I won't let them, can't take me out my comfort. We send bullets, big bullets by the bundle. 2020, I'm looking through a tunnel. Can't see fully, but no, I'm seeing numbers. Bitch so sexy, I fuck without a color. Oh yeah, animal straight up out the jungle. My bitch a dirty die young nigga Michael Jackson bad. I can't up all Steve Nash. Yeah, I wake up Papa Tan. All of my foreign rings fast. Yeah, I made myself the man. I'm about to sign new advance. The millions in demand. I bought me a Maybach Mercedes. Don't mean much, but I know these niggas hate it. Put my shit on the ones that sound lazy. I'm on Joe moving slower than the Matrix. She won't make up, then press me by some makeup. Trust the joker, you see me in Jamaica. If I pour a bitch, drop a can of flavor. I went up since the interview on Fatal. Bought a Glock with a beam and a laser. On my strap, I couldn't trust her with the taser. She say, watch him, I know your heart is fatal. If you fail, then I know the automator. For the critics, we steady counting paper. We like critics, just jumping off the table. Right up on me some syrup, not the maple. Watch these girls in the world, they can take it. My bitch a dirty die young nigga Michael Jackson bad. I can't up all Steve Nash. Yeah, I wake up Papa Tan. All of my foreign rings fast. Yeah, I made myself the man. I'm about to sign new advance. The millions in demand.
Tense, fire's going, drinks in hand, everybody's happy. What we got on deck for tonight so far is dinner and vibes. So next up, we're just gonna go through, show everybody set up, and we're gonna get rolling.
What I'm about to do tonight is I'm gonna pull up a hammock inside of it, but then still keep the tailgate open, get some nice airflow, and it'll still be a vibe.
Yo, what's going on, y'all? This is my setup. You know, we got
I think Brian has
all the food, cooler, everything we need for the next few days. Got the water. We all ready. This is pretty much where we're gonna be chilling at tonight. Probably set up my tent under here. But yeah, this is the headquarters for me right now. Gonna be cooking here later. Got a few things on the menu tonight. And yeah, it's gonna be a cool night. We're just gonna be chilling.
Got our sleep situation with our nice fan. Hold on, let me get this going for y'all. Come on. You see that? You see that? Yeah. Come on. But it's not too much. Same as usual. Extra comfortable. Beautiful weather. It's about 73 degrees right now. You can't really ask for anything better than that. We good to go, man. We got a nice little setup going. We got great vibes. We here to stay.
After signing a bonus, like a nigga the first pick. But just know if I get picked second, I got a boner pick. And I'm the type of nigga pull this shit straight from your body. Leave your ass with nobody. Crows and vultures flying down around.
Alright, so we got dinner going. Got the fire roaring. We got the ribeye here. We got some pork belly there. Straight from LA Mart. Shout out LA. We about to cook this joint up. We got some lettuce, kimchi, seaweed salad, a few other veggies. Vibes going.
It was God's favorite son. You niggas never harm me young. I grew up on a sergeant son, toting army guns. Thought you knew better, nigga, who better? Chasing the blue cheddar, throw it on the Aston. I mean, throw it on the wings. Might really have to start rapping. Come back like D-Rose with the destiny. Start off with 3 hits like the mother of destiny. Strip the game like every bitch named Destiny.
Cash out. Cash out.
DJ Nick exclusive.
I'm hot like a stove. My jewelry so cold.
Day 2, Saturday morning. Just got up about an hour ago. Cooked some breakfast, eggs, bacon, a little bit of cornbread, make some sandwiches with the guys.
Honey butter.
Vibes are high. About any shot or 2 deep.
Yep.
Things are up.
Morale is up.
We're about to go hit the water in a little bit. Get our fish on.
We're about to finish eating, pack up, and then we're gonna hit the trails. Get these.
See y'all by the water.
Like Ginobili. I did a crossover, then I left-handed. I get the racks. Just like a bitch, you not getting the bag. I get the sack. I get the racks, you not getting the bag. I get the racks. Just like a bitch, you not getting the bag. I get the sack. I get the racks, you not getting the bag.
Okay. On earth. He needs to go forward with it.
We getting them out.
Because they're not
Getting them out.
We got a little situation here.
We're gonna recover them.
Yeah, we're gonna recover him.
We're on the mountain. It's recovery time. Happens every once in a while.
So we have these tow hooks here attached to Matt's car, and basically what we're trying to do is, since he has open tow hooks, we've hooked him up to both, and what we're trying to do is kind of just drag him out of here with the Toyota 4Runner in the back as an anchor. Once that back tire is caught on the ground, I think we should be good to go. This is yeah, definitely a hairy situation here, but I think we're gonna be good. I don't see it really tipping. We just need to make sure we're latched on.
Turn passenger.
Passenger.
Turn passenger.
Passenger. Keep coming back. Keep coming.
Right here. Yeah. Nah, right here.
If you see a secure spot, let's do it.
Yeah, move up.
Probably be better on the tire.
Nah, I think you're right. The lower control arm might be the road.
So it might be. Yeah, I think if his right top or front right is touching earth, I think it might be better.
You gotta turn your wheel.
Take it slow. God damn, bro. You good.
Mass recovery! Okay, yo. So basically, we got him out. That was a crazy situation. We had some crazy engineering. Minor, you're good to go. Came out with some scratches, bro. That was good. That was good. Look, as you can see, look how much we dragged him through the mud to get him out of there. No scratches. His car's perfectly fine. Look, guys, this is why you need to have recovery straps, shackles, all that stuff when you're out here, because you never know when you're going to get it. And, I mean, without this, I don't know what else we would do.
Mass offer recovery, man. Shout out, man.
This is why he has a 10,000-pound car, because he can pull that shit out.
Yo, good shit, man.
Good shit, y'all.
Yo,
go,
we overcome anything. That's what it's all about. Nothing stops us out here, bro.
Real thick cougar bitch buy me nice things. I feel like Tom Brady cause I got 5 rings. What is she offering? Is she a dub? Is she a starter? No, she's a sub. 6 feet swings with a drive run. I'm walking them on, they showing me love.
Step in the scene, I need me a body. Perk 13, I came from my body. Yes, I'm a fiend, I need me a shotty. I'm too crazy, they come with John Wallen. Pop by my side, they ain't do no hobby. My guys ice cream, we baskin' and robbing. Got too many flavors like Baskin and Robin. Have gold in my teeth, I don't need no floss. I see Shorty, I told her what's poppin'. Took her back to my crib in my Rari. Got ice in my wrist, you see in the party. Like Shaggy Cody, we running the lobby. Got 2 cell phones, I need the Verizon. Ain't nice niggas, they always be buying. Jigging finessing, that's how we grinding. Even in the dark, we still gonna be shining.
Yeah, I'm the realest.
We made it. Here we are. Take a look at the scenery real quick. Take a look at this. We got people on the boat. Got Thai fishing. It's a beautiful day. Everybody's happy.
Yeah, just a few obstacles, but yeah, we made it.
As
We're
expected.
good. Nobody gets left behind out here.
We gotta go to work Monday.
Yeah, nothing stops us, all right? We gotta drive home, too.
We gotta go ahead and do some fishing, eat some lunch. We got burgers on tap.
Damn, I'm higher than a ceiling. The money is time and you so done fine, so I do not mind if I'm spending.
I ain't fuck no thotty. Shawty said she want me. Pop me a yellow bean so I can feel something. Tell me who you wanna be. Tell me you need me. Talk a bit.
You get all the flesh. You need all the sugars right now. Everybody's energy's low. We had a really kind of a scary day. Got this handkerchief because I'm a polished camper. This is a famous Girma mango salad. It's a generational recipe. Ooh. As you can see, this is delicious. You could have it with chips. You could have it with a lot of things. This is what we're gonna be having on the side. With the burgers.
I love the outdoors. You know, it's great to get back out here. Just wish there was some fish biting, honestly.
Imagine life without me. It's a waste of time. You want the kind of love that can make a child. Don't want just anybody.
Brian's boiling some penne and rigatoni. We're gonna throw some bacon in there, a little vodka sauce, sausage. Tonight, I'm in charge of the sausage.
And still you seem so surprised. Always gonna be mine. Wanna be where you are. I just can't.
You just give me 1 pack of matches, the free matches from the gas station. I'm good. Mamma mia! Hot and ready, hot and ready. All right, we cooking, baby.
Mamma mia!
That's just fire.
Mamma mia! Luigi!
It's dinner time. We got Neb cooking up pasta. What is this, rigatoni here? Just got done chopping some wood. Took a dip in the water behind us.
Oh yeah, the dip in the water. Best feeling in the world. Best feeling in the world. We casted some lines. Nothing really caught. We got a couple bites, but you know, if it was catch and cook, we'd go hungry. So the goal here is to get this pasta water into this thermos so I could put it back in the vodka sauce because it's the only thing that could hold hot water right now that I have. So it's gonna be a challenge. I don't have a strainer, so it's gonna be a first for everyone. Eric, come here. Look at my face. I'm not even looking at it. I'm literally steaming pasta in a tent, so not a good I don't even know. This is the result. What's your feet about?
Too small.
But I'm sure there'd be barely any left. The way we were moving yesterday with the Korean barbecue, we might be moving like that here, so.
I lay night on sin, still a Christian, don't tell my deacons. I mean pastor, oil her down and talking faster. Around 6-7 bitches with no tent, you can see I'm pimping. Big 4-5 my hip, like I'm limping, never simping.
It's a wrap for the weekend. Just got done cleaning up. Campsite's all good. We got the beautiful scenery behind us. It was a good trip so far. There's a little bit of everything. Some ups, some downs, a little bit of drama, a few recoveries. We had it all, but
What's that? Yeah.
Good wheeling, camping, good eats, steaks, chicken breasts, pasta, all that good shit.
Man, it was a great trip. We learned a lot of lessons. I feel like everybody learned something new to this trip. Every time you come out here, you just feel like there's always something you could do better. So, excited to go back out, the next time.
It's like always ways to be more efficient.
Exactly.
Yeah. Appreciate the gang for coming with us.
Hold up.
Yeah, what we got?
Shout out McCollum 35.
McCollum said it's too much.
It's too much.
Yeah, what up?
Shout out Leo.
Leo. What's the name of
That's
that?
my
That's
brother.
That's
my brother. Oh, shout out Puffco.
Yeah, shout out Puffco. Shout out Jellico.
Shout out Studio 54.
Shout out Cleo. She held it down.
Shout out
Cleo. Our
Cleo.
canine protection dog kept us safe out here.
Hell yeah.
Very alert. She was on point.
Every day, every time.
Shout out Home Depot for the total recovery straps that y'all sell. 1,000 pounds, was it 10,000 pounds of pork that could be on there? Look, I'm talking about that's why we're here and we're enjoying a good time.
Hey, shout out to the gang back home.
Yes.
Appreciate y'all.
Yeah, shout
Show
out.
love.
You're scared, but you're going to be out here one
we
day.
do it for you.
Yeah,
We do it for our peeps back home for real, man.
Shout out to Ratatouille for being a fucking classic movie.
Shout out Kieran Ichiban.
Yep.
Oh, facts.
Shout out Sheets. Shout out
Sheets, bro. Shout out
Sheets.
Sheets.
Great stop.
Shout out, what was it, lemon harissa chicken?
Yep.
Yep.
Yeah,
Shout
like
out Bush
that.
Light.
Like
Bush
that.
Light. We thank you. Yeah, shout out Bush. We like that shit. We drinking good.
Shout out the
Importantly,
scenery.
happy dad, though.
Yep.
I want to give a special shout out to the water for allowing us to dip in. Shout out Gabe for coming here. He hitchhiked all the way from San Francisco. My nigga took 8 buses, 2 planes, 3 horses and buggies.
With 3 pair of clothes. There's no excuse. There's no excuse for y'all, man.
And he walked 8 miles butt naked.
Gotta get outside.
Shout out Refresh Music Group.
Yeah, shout out Refresh.
All that. We doing
What else we got? What else? Shout out REI.
REI.
No free shout out.
Drink sponsor was by Happy Dad.
Happy dad.
Fuck with us, man. That shit's good as hell. Electrolytes, we need that shit out here. Good smoke, flour, brought to us by Wax DC. Shout out North Face. I don't know about that plug.
Smash the subscribe button, like it, do all that shit.
Comment. Shout out Paper Moon.
I'm gonna end this off.
Watch out,
like
1
this,
and 2.
right? Shout out my nigga Harry, bro.
Oh,
Yeah,
yeah.
that nigga came.
Shout out to the
Get in that jump, bro.
Yes, sir.
Get in that jump.
Shout out.
Listen.